Good morning, good afternoon. Let's get right into it. It's beautiful day, afternoon for me. Matter of fact, here we go. Market looks pretty nice for the day. Expensive clock, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, guys. Here we go, a day trading lesson from A to Z, showing you guys exactly how I would approach the market if I wanted to make 50K in only a couple of weeks' time. Because in the last couple of videos, day trading was on this channel, I actually shared with you guys an account that I turned from 6,000 to 52,000 in a very short period of time. Now, the transactions were shared. I'll leave the video in the description of this video, but the how was not shared. Today, I'm going to share with you guys the how. And just remember, this style of trading isn't for everybody. So if you know yourself and you have gambling tendencies, try to avoid doing this. But do learn, stick around till the end. Let's get right into it. I have a little announcement for you guys at the end of this video. With that being said, let's go. First step, open up your brokerage account. This is Trade Nation, the broker I'm going to be using. You can see my picture is there because I'm actually a partner with Trade Nation. It's the highest regulation in Europe, FCA regulation in the UK. That's the reason why I use it. It has fixed spreads. With that being said, now open up your platform. This is how it looks. Choose from your instruments. I'm going with US Tech 100. And to choose an instrument, you simply click on the charts here to open up. This is US Tech, which the one I just had now, and that's the NASDAQ. So this is a 25,000 trading account. This used to be 52,000. I lost some, but I withdrew a lot as well recently, just because I want to bring it back down to a level where I can find myself doing what I'm about to do comfortably. And that's where the video begins. You're about to witness high risk, high reward trading, but high frequency. It's going to be quick. No stop loss. That's why this video is going to be risky. I know most of you don't have patience to sit through holding a bag of stocks and flipping it, and you want to kind of gamble and you want to trade. Well, let me show you exactly how to pull this off. Especially when you have excess capital and you just want to try your luck. Because at the end of the day, this here you can grow accounts, but for most of you, you grow accounts and you blow it. That's why 97% of failures exist in this industry of trading. Alright, so here we go. US Tech 100. Let's go to 15. This is the candle on the daily. It looks bullish. It looks like it wants to push higher. So let's come in here. Let's go 15 minutes. It looks like it's climbing, you see here. So this instantly tells me this is bullish. So I'm going to allocate 40 contracts to this trade. But I'm going to start with 20 entry. So the reason why I entered is actually pretty simple. Like I said, this here is an uptrend. Okay. You can see the uptrend. And there's just bullish pressure building. For that reason, I opened 20 contracts. But the same candle can dip a little more, and that's when I add another 20. And that's how I built the account from 6,000 to 50,000. And I can continue building it to 100,000. But I think for most people, they will get stuck. And when you get stuck, especially in this market, you'll find yourself losing. All right, so there it is. You can see we're now in the profit zone. 146 secured. How long have you been recording? 2 minutes? That's very good. So I want to go to 1 hour now. And again, it looks like it wants to push to this level any minute, matter of fact. So I come back to the 15 minutes. And I try again. This time, I'm buying from here. So I'm going to zoom into 5 minutes. Yeah, this is going to push again. Okay, 20 contracts open. And it pushed. The moment I opened it, it pushed. Okay, so we'll take another 100 and we'll close like always. We're just scalping. Okay, 88. That's over 200 secured so far in this session. And I just keep doing that. I could sit here doing this all day long. The problem is doing it all day long. What's the difference between a gambler now and a day trader? Okay, you see this new candle just opened. Beautiful. So this one, we're going to go 30 contract. 30 contract open. And again, what's the difference between somebody that keeps trading all day long and somebody who, you know, just takes a couple of trades? Well, the guy taking a couple of trades, even if they underperform the guy who's trading all day long, long term, he will outperform them. Just because this can easily bring the gambler out of you. And we all have gambling tendencies, unfortunately. Everybody. Another 10 contracts open here. By the way, did anybody notice I'm not using a stop loss? Why is that? even though I recommend you use a stop loss. Well, because a stop loss is the main reason why people get triggered and lose. Honestly, it is the most destructive thing you could do, but you have to do it, otherwise you blow up. Okay, there it is. What is it? We were there a second ago. But I'm only not using a, I'm not using a stop loss because there's a trend here. So I'm following it and the pressure is just in one direction. So life is easy for me. If it was choppy, I'd have to use a stop loss because I don't know what could happen, especially if there's news coming out or about to come out. All right, let's begin here with the 100. Let's wait for one more push. $200 secure there. And there's this one more contract, 10 contracts. 120. Okay, you can see the PNL has fluctuated here. Now most people don't know that I was a day trader full time, and I made a lot of money from it, but I had to stop because I got older. I couldn't. And I guess the fact that when you make a little bit of money, what is 1,000 a day for you? So for me, I dabble with big numbers. This is just for the small guy, but the small guy, unfortunately, when they come in and do this, they'll be destructive because the small guy wants to go for the riches, and that always backfires, unfortunately. All right, so there it is. You can see here, one more push. Let's go 5 minutes. I'm scared here though because of this. This might be resistance. So do we get a rejection, a minor one, before rallying? Let's see. It looks bullish. It looks bullish. Okay, buy position active. If I take 5 points from that, I'll be happy because even 5 points from here. Yeah, see this? This is the other side of the menu, right? Red. Okay, see this push? If I take 5 points, that'll be 200. And I think we'll reach 1,000 if we hit that 200 mark. And that will be the end of it. Beautiful. You see that? Okay, we don't want to aim for that whatever number we want to aim for. 605. 605 will walk away. Okay, 150. That's good. All right, 26. I think we did good. How much did we make? We did all right. We did all right, guys. So, if you keep doing this, that's exactly how I did it, and I did it on not just US Tech 100, but also I did it on gold. And I was trading gold, and look at the direction. This whole move, that's how I was shorting this. The last couple of weeks, and that's how I grew the account. Now when you get this kind of momentum in one direction, life is easy. By the way, I've started building a day trading course. This will not be promoted to the public, but it's on Patreon. You'll find it, part of tiers, and you'll also get a chat room with it, so you'll find it in the description. And also the broker, it's going to be in the description. Thanks guys, see you next time. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I appreciate you as always. Day trading this way, long term, might not be sustainable when market shifts, but it's fun when the market is in one direction. And I guess if you can manage to understand what market you're in and deploy that style of trading, you'll survive and make some dollars. Thanks guys, appreciate you for watching. Smash that like button if you made it this far. Peace and love as always.